What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me guide you on how you can screenshot on Windows. This will be easy, so make sure to follow along. To capture a screenshot of your entire desktop, simply press the Print Screen tab on your keyboard shortcut. In addition, you can just search for the snipping tool or use your keyboard shortcut. It will be Windows logo key plus Shift plus S to open the snipping tool and take a screenshot. You can edit the photo you took using these tools on the ribbon or edit it on Paint, or you can also simply save it to your local files. Let me know if it works. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.